This is cool. This is the entrance of Area 15, guys. Come join us. So hey guys, we just came in through this door and look where we are. Area 15 in Las Vegas. We're gonna go to Omega Mart and do a few other things while we're here. So join us, guys. Very cool. I'm here with my daughter, her boyfriend, and my son. Oh, look at this. Wink World. That's cool. Wow.
Stay for a long time.
So we're in line for the Omega Mart. Okay. Caitlin's getting stand-in. Questions?
I said, do you have any, he said, do you have any questions? I said, no.
Okay. We're in Omega Mart. All right. There's nothing? It's empty? Whoa, there's no beans? Where's the beans? Oh, that was a sauce, contingency sauce, Millennium beans. Everything is actually for sale here. $15 for an empty can. What is it?
Gut monkeys.
Gut monkeys. Anybody want some Doritos? Whoa. Okay, guys. We're gonna go in there in a little bit. Is there something over here? Whoa, that's cool. Outdoor recreation. Oh, there's a tunnel in there, guys. Oh my gosh. There's a cave in there. Wow. Blitz. Cherry Blitz. Premium stain remover. Only $34.50. Whoa. Can we look in here? Avocado wallets. You saw it? Oh my gosh, we got to crawl. Maybe, I don't know about this, Caitlin. Brandon, maybe you should go behind me. What? Okay, guys. I don't know if we can do this.
Be careful when you stand up. It's a hard roof.
It's a hard roof right here? Oh. Did you hit your head, Alex?
Oh, no, I didn't.
Oh.
Yeah, okay.
Whoa. This is cool. We just came through the tunnel.
I'm gonna go upstairs.
That's cool. Should we walk on this?
Look down, look down. Oh my God, that's
What is this? Is it a mirrored? Whoa. Oh, that's cool. Oh my gosh.
sorry.
That means press the button. Oh, is this the other end? No. Oops. Oh yeah, it just goes back out. Okay, go back that way. Or well, we can go this way. We spent 2 full days here, so stay tuned guys, because I'm gonna make this into a series and we have several more videos coming very soon. See you next time.